the prayer gone up. No evil can harm us. I am actually going to break up with her today. Yo, good morning. It's been a while since I've been on the vlog. Today we are starting off today's vlog in the car, as you can see. Also, as you can see, I'm in my self-made tank top, which means only one thing, that I'm on my way to the gym. Yep, I have with me my black coffee. And actually I'm gonna do a fasted workout today, meaning I haven't eaten from morning, so I'm just gonna go and get in my workout. It's been a while since I've been on the vlog. Alright, let me get my seatbelt. Practice safe driving, people. I want you guys to know that I have a competition coming up in 2 months time. That's November 3rd. That will be at Hard Rock Cafe here in Montego Bay, and that one will be my second competition. Right, so I'm saying this because I want y'all to come out and show some love. Right, it's a day show, starts at 10, I think finish at around 9 p.m. Yeah, I hope I am in focus. So today is Sunday. It is now 10:55 a.m. Actually worked last night, not too long reach home, relax a bit, freshen up. I'm gonna go and do some I think I'm gonna superset back and arms today. Not back and arms, I think I'm gonna superset chest and back. So I might get some clip for you guys. So I'm on my way. I'm drinking my coffee. You don't need to go online and buy pre-workout. Yeah, natural pre-workout right here. Natural black unsweetened coffee. You need pre-workout. I haven't been to the gym all week. And you know why? Because it was one Dehlia's birthday. Yeah, her birthday was Wednesday. Right, I mean, I went to the gym Monday. Right, normally I don't go on Tuesdays. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Yesterday, which was Saturday, I did not go to the gym. I don't know, when it's her birthday, a public holiday, everything in a one, right? So she should be blamed why I didn't go to the gym last week.
Surf and turf, and mine is the, I don't want to name again, mushroom something, and then it got surf and turf as well.
But I'm gonna go in today, make up for lost times. Just go and hold the vibes and drink my coffee, alright? Yeah, man. chatty, Mount Amasi. Why you not leave people business? As we belong people business. Good God, I tell you about. Now see nigga, no see neighbor, your place won't fix up. Why you not allow people business? Leave people business alone. Leave people business alone. Sweet time. That's what I want to talk about. I don't know. Unchangeable. That's how we said the mood, you see me? Yeah, man. Hey, no matter how the dollar might stack up, me still not change. Up top. It's a long race, mama says if we finish. What me tell them now? Yo! Giving up now. We put up a fight here. Got to be ready. Cause time getting traded. Hard something. Why yoy? Up top. I'm a winner. Hold me there. I'm on the so we're winning right now. If we get that show, I'll be winning right now. I'll be winning right now. I know everybody I got like. Let me tell them now. Still with Ivory. That's how I do it for the love, you see me? In a dancer style. I know everybody I got like we. Still with Ivory. With Ivory with soul. Stop me and tell them. Do it for the love, we not do it for the life. Pull up that bong, hey, watch it. Come through, credits. Up top. Cause we no love lives. What we say? Dancer style. And everybody I go like. Tell them. Cause we no love life. Every song I write today, every time I write. Do it for the love, we not do it for the likes. Do it for the love, we not do it for the likes. Do it for the love, we not do it for the likes. Yeah, no star. Coffee done. Let's make you run. Be careful how you nail pan grass. Be careful how you nail pan grass. Things is getting rougher and some can't find us. Let's have good break.
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Good morning! Well, obviously it's another day. I'm in my uniform, which means I'm off to work. So, I have something special. I'm gonna end this vlog with a bang. The taxi man are disgusting, you see, man. Cha! Back to what I was saying. I have something special to end this vlog, yeah? No. This morning, whole morning before me left home, right? Dehlia bother me. Like, you know, she know my fears and everything. It's like she bother me, like I said, she planned to prank me or something. Now, if you know about prank, you'd know, say, yo, anticipating a prank is actually worse than the actual prank itself. Especially when a person know the things and when you're afraid and know your fears and everything. You get me? So I have been really thinking and I have me on my toes wondering what she going to come with. But I have some up my sleeve which she doesn't know about. Right? And that is why I'm vlogging. I'm gonna bring the camera with me to work this morning. Right? Because I'm gonna prank her ass. You know what I'm gonna do today? I I am actually going to break up with her today. Yeah, I'm going to break up with you, D. This is it. Today's the last of it. I am going to break up with you. Now I'm going to use one of them songs. I'm gonna use the lyrics from one of them songs. That's them songs where I talk about breakup and all of that. So I'm gonna go message her the lyrics of the songs and break up with her. I don't choose a song yet, so I'm reach work and settle in and thing. I choose a song and do it thing, right? I'm gonna try get the clip them for you know and thing. So no see her response. I'm gonna get you real good. Yeah? So I'm reach work and settle in. I sort it out. Alright? No, I know this is gonna get her real good. Because if you should know her, this prank is gonna get her real good. Like real good. So this will be pretty interesting. Eh? So see y'all soon. What's up everybody? It's your boy, I'm back. As you can notice, change of shirt. I did not get to film today because work had me, man. I was really busy today, didn't get a chance to film, but I'm still at work. Went home, came back to work, so I'm here doing the night shift. So I'm still gonna get to do the prank, right? Which is what I'm going to do right now. So, as I said earlier today, that I'm going to use one of the popular songs to break up with her. Now, the song that I chose is Burn by Usher. Right? I'm not gonna lie, I'm very nervous. She is home. She's in bed. So I'm gonna go ahead and call her. Oh boy. No. I'm nervous. I'm really nervous, like, because I know her. Like, I'm just gonna know her exact reaction. I hope it come up good. I hope she enough figure say, yo, it's a song. So what I'm planning to do is like take out somebody burn them, because maybe by saying it too much burn, she will figure it out. So I'm gonna take out somebody burn and use the rest of the lyrics. So I'm gonna use only the first verse. I think that should be enough. I'm only gonna use the first verse. I have it written down here, right? So let's get this prank on the way. Oh Lord, here we go. So I'm gonna call her, put her on speaker, so you guys can hear everything, right? Let's go. Here we go.
Hello?
Going to bed?
Not yet.
What you doing?
I'm down in my bed.
You know?
Okay.
What?
You called me?
Yeah, I think we need to talk.
About what?
Some things that's been bothering me.
Okay, go ahead.
I feel like this is coming to an end. And it's best for me to let it go now than hold on and hurt you.
I thought that things were getting at
I know it's gonna hurt for me to say this, but yeah, it's coming straight from the heart, you know.
Alright.
It's been a long time coming,
Yeah, I understand. Alright.
but I don't know we fell apart.
Yeah, man. Alright.
Huh?
So, okay, later.
I don't know. I really want to work this out, but I don't think you are going to change.
When I haven't done anything, me just there,
try to still. So maybe it's a come from because I thought we were doing a lot better.
I do, but you don't. Think it's best we go separate ways.
But
Tell me why. Tell me why I should stay in this relationship.
so I come from somewhere sorry and
When I'm hurting, baby, I ain't happy. Plus, there's so many other things I gotta deal with. Huh?
you don't know so when you make up your mind that's it. So you don't know when we can say right now.
I think that you should let it burn. Okay, I got it. Babe? Babe? D? Shit, she hung up. Oh, fuck. Hold on, let me try call her back. She hung up. Shit. Come on, phone. She hung up. And she cry. I hope she pick up the phone. Oh, shit. Come on, pick up the phone. 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 Shit, she not answer. Oh, but she not answering. Let me try and let me WhatsApp her. Shit, she not answering. Let me try and WhatsApp her. Oh shit. And the damn phone I move so slow. Come on, the phone. What's up there, mother now? Shit. No. Why the phone chose to freeze? No. It's the lyrics is. Oh shit. I'm trying to WhatsApp her, but the damn phone. I freeze up. That freeze! Alright, here goes. Let me send a quick message saying, hey babe, answer the phone, it was a prank. It was a prank. Pick up the phone. Pick up the phone. Come read the message. Okay, she's online. Alright. So I send the message. She read it. You see the blue tick? I'm not sure if you can see it. Look at the message. She said, what? Oh god. Oh god. She typing, y'all. She is typing. Oh my goodness. I hope you guys are seeing this, right? Let me go ahead and call. Oh my god, that was brutal. That was brutal. I'm calling her. Hello?
yeah.
Babe? Hi. You alright? You alright? We tell us somebody go get you real good, no? Eh?
Keep it coming in. Keep laid on sick. Jesus.
We tell her say me go get you real good. Me tell her this morning you trick me, and this morning you trick me. How you go trick me? You trick me this morning, say you go prank me. No, me tell her say you dig your own grave. No. Eh?
Dig your own deeper.
Me a dig your grave deeper. Me. No. You get it real good, and trust me, prank me and see if you don't get it worse. Prank me, see if you don't get it worse. That be a tell her.
Will I get fear? It gonna be. Oh God, you're not gonna prank nobody else. You just go study one card and just do a worship. What?
Really? Alright. Alright.
Oh God, man.
We'll see how that goes. We'll see how that goes.
I'm start sweat. I have the underarm tickling them.
Your who a sweat?
What?
You say your arm a sweat?
I have this tickling feeling when you stress out.
Just stressed out? And you did that cry?
Yes.
Aww. Oh,
why you plan this?
What?
Why you plan
It's
this?
been one bloody long time.
You asked, and that's why I want to come here. That now go on no YouTube.
What do you mean you not go find YouTube? Straight on YouTube it a go.
But I'm here to editing it now go find it.
Yeah, me some right beside the way I do editing. To go on YouTube, but that me I tell her.
You will not be here because you work tomorrow evening, so therefore edit it. I mean now put it in there, nobody not gonna hear me a ball over you.
Alright, done there. You are being recorded as we speak. Oh God.
Yes, I can't believe it, but
What?
oh.
You calm down now? Hey, and guess what? When you come, you know how you say that you start crying and you hang up. Did you try to call back on the phone? Choose this moment to freeze. You say that Jesus, I wonder if you can do.
Reach down over your dead,
We reach out to do it and make it night. How much o'clock now? 12 o'clock at night now. About that matter of fact. 5 minutes after 12 a.m.
I cannot believe. No, you're going to get it. Oh God, you're going to get it good.
Bye. Bye. Go
I'm
drink,
not even talking to you right now.
go drink some water and go to bed.
Me not. Bye.
Yo! So if y'all think that was a good one, please give this video a thumbs up. Go ahead and smash the like button and subscribe for more. Trust me, because plenty more pranks coming up. Lots more goodies. So go ahead, smash the like button, click subscribe, turn on post notification, keep up with our videos. And yeah, so that's where we're gonna end this vlog. So hope you guys enjoy this one, and we'll be back. Peace out.